Hey mechanical engineers, the side Jatin with Rockrow. In this particular video, we're gonna decode everything around mechanical engineering interview question process review round, everything around it. When we talk about the problem statement, guys, you already know that, right? When we do our internet research to get those HR or the technical interview questions, we used to get thousands of resources to read through. We do not have enough time to go through each and every resources. So I did that job for you guys, is to scan through all the available resources over online and pick the most commonly asked interview questions when we talk about mechanical engineering. Also, I went into discussion with technical engineers working with different companies, asked them what are the commonly asked interview questions when it comes to technical and HR, both for fresher and experienced, and included them in my list. Talking about the targeted people, fresher and experienced, targeted companies, Ashok, Leyland, General Motors, Tata Motors, L&T and others. This particular video, you will get all the necessary questions that will be there in your next interview when you talk about mechanical engineering domain. If you want responses to all such questions, what I expect from you guys is to like this video and subscribe to the channel as well. Talking about the interview process, pretty much straightforward, guys. If you want to apply to these companies, go to their career portal, or if you wish to get your chances up by 90% to get that job offer, then prefer the route of employee referral. What I mean by that, connect with people working with this company over LinkedIn and send out job referral requests to them. Group discussion, aptitude round, HR telephonic interview, core interview, and 6 weeks training. If you're someone really serious about their career, then we have a workshop on our website talks about everything around job oriented LinkedIn profile, connecting with hiring managers and people working with these companies over LinkedIn to get job referrals, resume, cover letter, formal email writing skills, tracking HR interview round. Everything has been discussed. Workshop is free of cost. I'm going to provide the link in the description section so that you can visit and sign up for free. Talking about the technical interview questions that will be there in your next interview journey is, what do you understand by the term mechanical engineering? What are these different industrial applications? What are the primary responsibilities of a mechanical engineer? Why did you decide to become even a mechanical engineer? Or what made you want to study mechanical engineering? Discuss the first mechanical system design and application. Tell us about CAD application, project, don't, best CAD software. Explain how hydraulics work on a machine. What is the second law of thermodynamics? What is the importance of tolerance in engineering? Explain importance rule that must be kept in mind while designing castings. What are the various types of brakes? What is extrude aluminium? How does a supercharger work in a car? What is work cohesion and galvanic cohesion? So these are the mostly asked interview questions when we talk about the technical profile of mechanical engineering. If you want HR interview questions, then we have it in our next slide. So these are the top most HR interview questions that can be asked in your next interview. Tell me about yourself. That's generally a basic question that everyone asks to make sure the next person who is actually appearing for the interview should feel comfortable, right? That's the whole objective behind tell me about yourself question. Why do you want to join us? Why should we hire you? Right? These are the two ways this question can be asked. The other ways as well, that why do you think you are the best role for this particular position? Tell me about the company, right? Questions related to the company and the responsibilities that you're gonna handle. That is where the job description comes into play. Tell me about your strength and weakness, short-term and long-term goals. Why is there an employment gap? Why do you want to change? Salary expectation. How will you handle the pressure? Future of programming language. So these are the top most and repetitively asked HR interview questions that will be there in your next interview round. Make sure you are preparing answers to all those technical coding and HR interview question list that I've compiled for you. It took me around 1 month to prepare this particular video. Please make sure you are liking this video right now. Now when we talk about the next step, I'm also targeting around 500 plus like on this particular video. Not just this, for specifically for HR interview questions, we have already compiled that workshop for you guys, where in particular day 8 we're gonna talk about HR interview questions. So if you want to just look at the HR interview questions, I would suggest that just day 8 and day 5 should be your preferences, right? When we talk about the entire job research, then we have day 2, day 3, 4, 6, 7. But you have just before the day of your interview, then I would suggest day 8 and day 5 are going to be a day which you should watch. These are free of cost registration that we have over our Rockroll LinkedIn off campus workshop. All you need to do is to click on get your dream job, register for free, and explore the content for free. That's something we can do right now with respect to preparing for those HR interview questions. If you want part 2 to go live as soon as possible, considering like this video right now and subscribing to the channel as well, I provided a Telegram group link in the description section, making sure you are joining that particular group to get instant updates on new videos, on questions, on updates, anything that we have for you guys in order to meet your end objective. So we look forward to your presence in the next video. Till then, namaskar.